Okay, so welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to make a system where we can have 10 different characters and we spawn them uh, basically randomly. That means if we have 10 characters and we generate one of them on the map and the player can possess it. You can also implement a character selection, which we will do in the upcoming videos. So for now, let's go to our third person blueprints and right click this BP third person character and create 5 characters. Character 1, or what we can do is we can just duplicate this. Character 2, character 3, character 4, character 5 and character 6. Now remember to select the first character and duplicate it, because if you select any other, then it would not put the name correctly inside the blueprints. uh, Let me just delete this and just save all. And now we have 6 characters, so let's go and create 6 material instances and uh, put them on the characters. Now select this character and go to the first material, right click and name this, just add a character 1 and then duplicate this and let's make it character 2, character 3, character 4, character 5, character 6. So now we have 6 materials and let's open the first material and add the tint. Let's make it blue. Then for the next one, let's make it, enable the tint and make it pink. Let's open the third one, make it green. Fourth one, orange. And sixth one as red. Now, basically, we are making material instances and different character classes so that if you have different character meshes, then too you can use this method. And then as here, just select the character 1 and you see it got the blue color. Open this material and open full editor blueprint, viewport, and select this as character 2, so you can see the difference in the colors. And then we need for the third one too, character 3, oh sorry, it's the material, character 3, character 4, character 5, and character 6. So now all our material all our characters have the blueprint material, but if you can only choose a single default pawn class. So if you play from here, you will not get any of the random colors. You can only choose one, but we want random so that one of these 6 is spawn on the map. So what we will do is we will open the blueprint game mode override and open full editor blueprint and make a event on post login. And you can use this method for multiplayer also, so that's not a problem. And then what we need to do is we need to get the location of the spawn points of this player start. So let's make a macro and player start location, and let's get all actors of class, pin this here, and player start. Then get a copy of the first element and get the length. Now the length should be going here, and also, okay, let's do one thing. The last entry can be invalid, so let's make subtract and put this here. So let's make it -1 and put this as output. We will get the transform of the player start so that we can spawn our character there, and we will give it as the output. And in place of return value, we will name this player or maybe random player start transform. Now go back to on event on post login and just call this player start login. Oh, sorry, player start location, and spawn actor from class. And what you can do is just put spawn transform and make a select here. Make six options. For the first one, we will put character 1. Second would be character 2. Character, let's copy this. Character 3, character 4, character 5, and character 6. And we will just make a random number, random integer, and the max would be 5. And we even want this to always spawn ignore collisions, and the owner is the actor reference, so we will just make the player controller as the owner. Compile and save. And we also need to possess this spawned actor. So what we will do is, because it's the event on post login gives us the reference of the player controller, so we will just get possess from here and drag this. This cannot get, oh, let's do one thing. We will just make a cast to pawn, and if the pawn is valid, we will just make it as pawn. So basically, because we are making a random selection, so a spawn actor doesn't know what type of class would get into this option. So that's why it's returning just an actor object. But if in place of that I just put character, then it would give us a pawn reference. And now let's play. So you see, I got the new one. And now this one. And now this one. Now this one. Oh, something is not wrong. Oh, so, okay. So let's make the default one class as none. And now you can see we get different colors. But we are getting a single place of spawn. That's because we only have one single spawn point. So let's duplicate these so that we get spawned at different locations. And now play. So this time we got spawned here with the purple, and this two. Okay, let me just save again. Something with the player spawn is wrong. Let me. Yes. So let's get back to our third person player and check random player start. Let's make a print and check the length of this actor blueprint, what's the length it's returning. So you see it's returning 7, and that's right because we have 7 actors. Let me just delete this one and try, and it says 5. I removed the -1 just to check if it, yeah. So you see it got invalid array. Hmm. It's trying to get, oh, okay, okay. So we are passing in the length as the get element, which is wrong. We need to get a random integer. So what we will do is we'll just make a -1, and then we just get a random integer in range with the max value of the length. Now it will give us random places first. Yeah, you can see now we are getting random places and random array. So I hope this video will help you. Meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.